Good morning students, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let us try to solve question number 6 of our exercise 1.2. And question number 6 says, machines on an average manufactures 2825 screws a day. Okay, so there is a machine and this machines manufacture means produces. How many screws? 2825 screws. In a day means in one day. Okay, so the question asks us to find how many screws did it produce. So it refers to the machine. Okay, so how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Understood, student? So the first thing that we need to know is that in one day, the number of screws produced by this machine is 2825 screws, right? Then the question asks us to find the total number of screws that this machine produced in the month of January 2006, right? January 2006. We have to find the total number of screws produced in the month of January 2006, right? So forget about this year for a while. Okay, forget about this year for a while. Do you know how many days are there in the month of January? How many days? Yes, 31 days, right? There are 31 days, 31 days in the month of January, right? So it doesn't matter whether the year is 2006 or 2007 or even let's say 2021. The number of days in the month of January, irrespective of the year, will remain the same. That is 31 days, right? So in one day, this machine produced 2,125 screws. So the total number of screws produced in the month of January 2006 means 31 days, right? So these 2,825 screws will be multiplied by the number of days. That is 31. And we will get our answer. Okay, students. So let's write the steps. Okay, students. So let us write the step. The first step that we will write is the number of screws produced by the machine in one day. Okay, so number of screws produced by the machine in one day, right? So how many screws? 2,825. This is the number of screws produced by this machine in one day. Next, we have to write the number of days in the month of January, right? Number of days in the month of January 2006, right? So how many days are there? 31 days. Okay, students. So next, what we have to write therefore the total number of screws produced by the machine in the month of January 2006. Okay, so therefore the total number of screws produced by the machine in January 2006, right, equals to, so this is number of screws produced in one day, right? So 2825 will be multiplied by the number of days, that is 31. So let us find the product in the working column. 2825 times of 31. So 1 5 is 5, 1 2 are 2, 1 8 is 8, 1 2 are 2. 3 5 are 15, 1 carry, 3 2 are 6, 7, 3 8 are 24, 2 carry, and 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. When we add all these numbers together, 5, 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, and finally we have 8. So 87,575 is the number of screws produced by this machine in the month of January 2006. Okay, students, so this is how we are going to solve question number 6 of our exercise 1.2. In the next video, let us try to solve question number 7. So that's it for this video. I will see you all in the next video. Stay home, stay safe everyone. Please do take care.